Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. This is where I work. So I'm a LCV truck driver. LCV means long combination vehicle. So I drive two 53-footer trailers, but we're not gonna talk about my job. We're gonna talk about this DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So we are going to test it, how tough it is. And we're going to talk about the wireless microphone that it's built in. So we're gonna test the stability of this DJI Osmo Pocket 2 and the wireless microphone. So let's go. Anyway, right now I'm heading to Saskatoon. So this big rig will test the Osmo Pocket 2, how reliable it is.
Continue on Second Canada Way.
So anyway, Osmo Pocket 2 has a built-in wireless microphone. It's all there, it's connected, and it's like a gimbal. So when you buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 with the combo there, it's included, then the wireless microphone will be included there, and some of the accessories that's gonna be included, which is more practical, and you save more than piece by piece that you're going to buy for that. So this is the wireless microphone, and aside from that, when you are going to mount your camera outside, it's the mic is not gonna be because the mic is inside the cab, then you're not gonna be able to hear the wind because you're inside and it's wireless, right? So aside from that, it's wireless, and you can have the monitor inside connected to the phone. But I'm recommending that if you are going to have that phone connected to your DJI Osmo Pocket 2, you have to have somebody with you inside. You cannot just drive and then touch the phone while driving. So before I left, I set everything up first, and just gonna test it, how stable it is, and how is the wireless microphone do with this mounted DJI Osmo Pocket. There is in front of the hood, so I mounted it with those accessories with a clamp on it. anyway, you can also do that. Facing front there. And then facing back again here. Anyway, I love this dji OSMO Pocket 2 because it's really it's small, and it has a 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and also you can do a lot of things in this camera. That's why it's called Osmo Pocket. You don't need to carry a big bag or carrying bag. You just put it in your pocket. That's all. So I have this dji OSMO Pocket 2 for a long time already, and I love using this. It's really reliable. Anyway, I have the DJI OSMO Action on the right side, and then the GoPro Hero 6 outside. It's mounted there in my left side mirror. I'm supposed to be rolling at 10 a.m. but the thing is, it gave me hard time to adjust the the trailer axle to the right position, so that, you know, in turnpikes or the LCV, you have to have the right legal adjustment on the drive axle and on the trailer axle. I'm still in Winnipeg heading to Saskatoon, and it's less than 1,000 kilometers going there. It's like 9 hours or a little bit more driving from Winnipeg to Saskatoon. So in LCV, you have to have your first stop to check the tires, the airlines, and some connections, your brakes and everything. Your first stop, it must be the first 1 hour or first 80 kilometers or less. So I'm gonna pull over here in Husky for my first stop. And then your second stop is every 2 hours or 3 hours. So guys, this is how I tested my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I mounted it there on top of the hood. So this is the accessories, and that's my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So if you like those cameras and you're looking to where you can buy the camera, please click the link below. You can find it there. Please subscribe on this channel. See you on our next video.